Hi, I'm Genevieve Swift from Lashof Violins, and I'm going to show you the best way to tune your violin. It's not uncommon to need to tune your violin every time you play it. There are a multitude of products available on the market. We recommend using an electronic chromatic tuner. For today's video, I'm going to use the Snark clip-on tuner. Heads up, breaking a string is a very common occurrence when you're just learning how to tune. We recommend having a spare set of strings on hand just in case. If you need assistance installing a string, check out our video, How to Install a Violin String. The violin is tuned with the pegs in the scroll or the fine tuners in the tailpiece. The pegs make large adjustments to the pitch and require a more experienced hand. The pegs are held in with friction. The pegs are tapered and require inward pressure to stay in place. Violin, viola, and cello pegs will unwind rather dramatically if adequate pressure is not applied to hold the peg in place. The fine tuners make small or fine adjustments and are safe for those musicians just learning how to tune. Begin by making sure you know which note and which peg belong to each string. On the violin, the lowest string is G, the next string is D, the following string is A, and the highest, thinnest string is E. Over-tightening a string even a little bit can cause the string to break. Woohoo! This makes it very important that you pluck the string continuously as you tune, and check the tuner to make sure that you don't go higher than the pitch designed for the string. Now to recap what we just learned. First, tune your pegs down, then up. Second, push the peg inward. And third, pluck while tuning. And take your time, go slowly. You can do this. Begin by attaching your tuner to your instrument, or if it has a microphone, rest it nearby. Start by plucking the string. If the tuner shows the correct letter of the pitch that you want, use the fine tuner to make minor adjustments. Turning the fine tuner screw clockwise will raise the pitch. Be sure to continue to pluck your string while turning the fine tuner until you are on the correct pitch. If you pluck or bow the string and the pitch is significantly lower than what you need, you will need to use the peg to tighten the string and raise its pitch. Loosen the peg by turning it towards you and then press in and turn away from you. Make very small movements and get as close to the correct pitch as possible. At times, because of temperature and humidity changes, the pegs can become more difficult to use. If necessary, you can press your open palm against the other side to steady the scroll. If you happen to raise the pitch of the string higher than the correct pitch, you will need to lower the tension by loosening the string. Turn the fine tuner screw counterclockwise to loosen the string tension, and in this way, lower the pitch. You are almost finished tuning your violin. It's best to recheck your work by plucking or bowing the strings. It's not uncommon that your strings will need a little tweaking. Your instrument is now in tune. Happy practicing.